Right guys, here's a great way for beginners to learn how to climb the gym rope here at JP's. So what we're going to do first to develop our upper body strength is we're going to take a seat on the floor. Let's get both arms on the rope. So one hand over here, and then we're going to reach right up. Now, as we start to pull, we're going to have a little bit of assistance coming from the thighs. Not too much because we still want to be using the upper body throughout, but the legs are just going to allow us to get a little bit of assistance. So from here, we're going to pull and use the legs a little touch. Come as high as you can, up to standing, then coming back down. Still some pressure on the thighs. Take your time and come to the bottom. Okay? So, to make this a little bit harder, you can lengthen the legs. You can try and get yourself into a nice straight position. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze your abs, big pull. All the way up. Control back down. Keep everything nice and tight. And that's how to try out our gym rope at JP's.